Today we're showing you a 2013 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. The tractor has approximately 1,300 hours on it. It is a pre-DEF tractor. The tractor does have the DPF filter, so it will regen, but it does not require the DEF fluid. Again, full cab, heat, and air. Has the John Deere H240 quick attach front loader with it. Has the John Deere style hook up here for your bucket connection. Has a 6-foot heavy-duty front bucket on it. Front grill guard. Tractor's in really nice shape here, as you can tell. We did replace the front tires, so it's got brand new radial front tires on it. Work lights in front and back of the cab. Back tires are the 18430s, and those are the original tires, and they're obviously still in good shape there. Telescopic 3-point arms. Has the 540 and the 540E PTO. Has a dual rear remotes back here. Fenders are in nice shape. It's a nice clean tractor, and again, no DEF required. Show you the inside of the cab. Has the Deluxe air ride seat here for the operator. Up top you've got the slot for radio. It currently does not have radio, but you can certainly easily add that if you'd like to. And then it also has the climate controls there to the right, Rearview Mirror and sun visor up top. You do have a little bit of droopage here in the headliner. It's coming down just a little bit. Actual headliner is fine, but the adhesive is off of this upholstery just a little bit, so that could easily be remedied, I'm sure. 12-speed transmission. Has 3 ranges back here, 4 gears up here for your primary shifter. Loader control right there within easy reach. Dual remote levers, 3-point control, draft control, hand throttle, and PTO engagement all over there to the right. Here to the left you've got the lever engaged 4-wheel drive lever, and then your 540 and 540E PTO selector back behind you there. Down on the floor you've got differential lock pedal, foot throttle, individual brakes, and clutch pedal. Get your power reverser up here on the column. Easily shift the tractor from forward to reverse without clutching. Tractor has 100 horsepower. We can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We can also take trade-ins. If you have a trade, you can text or email us some pictures, and we'll be happy to work a quote for you. If you have any questions for us, please let us know.